Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2004 BMW R1150RS. This is BMW's full-size sport touring motorcycle. It has 1130cc fuel-injected boxer 2-cylinder engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Bike has very low miles, only 36,931 miles for BMW. That's barely broken in. Bike is all stock and runs great. ABS brakes, adjustable windscreen, top and side cases, great storage. Bike runs very smooth. This is a great sport touring bike, ready to ride at only $44.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-0600.